brands. One is Bugatti, and second is Sangria. So again, a good platform for not only showcasing but introducing a lot of new and international brands to India. Sangria, though, would be ethnic brand based out of India. Bugatti would be a first exposure to India with us, and that also exclusive. Second, I would say the Jabong stage, which Sandeep also, Saket also mentioned. It's a great platform which gives opportunity for budding designers to introduce their concepts, designs, and also scale. We already have some successful names like Dhruv Kapoor, Riddhi Mehra, who have seen success along with us in terms of scaling their designs and also having an element of commercial success along with it. The ending I would like to summarize in terms of how the brand has evolved. So Jabong, if you recall, I don't know how many of you, we started in 2011, and our first TV ad was a screaming ad, a girl screaming, which was indirectly saying, please notice us. We are new, but please see we are here, and we are here something to do. And today, if you see the ad, it has evolved to what we stand for. And I would end this by showcasing that video where the whole communication from screaming when the purchase happens to what you stand for while you are selling.
Thank you, sir. Can I please have the AV?
Forget you are what you eat. You're not what you eat. You are what you wear. And what do we like to wear? Some years ago, all of us, as followers and consumers of fashion, had only Fashion Week season trends to follow. But today, fashion is everywhere, and fashion is everything, or rather, everything is in fashion. Everything is in fashion. With the explosion of internet and social media in our lives, the new age survival mantra of online shopping, and Jabong is sitting on the stage today, instant access to new trends from runways, ramps around the world, has set the whole industry sort of spiraling out of control. Consumers are demanding clothes and garments at their doorstep now, in designs and hues that are not limiting to their cultures or to their countries. It's become so international, making the business of fashion thus very dynamic and very complex. All these requirements put the supply chain of any fashion house, any designer or retail under tremendous pressure because the ramp to rack time has really shortened down. And the timing of supply chain thus assumes a particularly important role. I'm very proud to say that DHL has been in this business of fashion, delivering to consumers, retailers, manufacturers, designers around the world in 220 countries, servicing all their local and global needs for over 4 decades now. And our association as co-sponsors and official logistics partner of IMG Lakmé Fashion Week is an extension of what we do and our promise to our fashion customers around the world. I'm excited as this is the 18th season of partnership with IMG Lakmé Fashion Week. And just like old wine, Saket, if I may say, our partnership has matured over the years. I think we fight a lot more or we fight a lot less now.
More things. At Philips, it's our endeavor to basically partner the changing lifestyle of Indian consumers, whether it's healthy eating, whether it's breathing inside the house, or whether it's fashion. So being the styling partner of Lakmé Fashion Weeks really gives us a lot of excitement because we believe that an Indian man and an Indian woman in the last 10 to 15 years have tried to change themselves. And in the last few years, it's been our endeavor to really partner them to change. Because an Indian man or an Indian woman wants to style themselves on an everyday basis. They just don't want to wait. And in this journey, we have seen the consumer has really moved from where he or she was in the past 5 years to a different level equal to any consumer in the world. And whether it's our products, whether it's our experience, whether it's the way we have touched upon the consumer, it's been an exciting journey for us. And we're also very happy because partnering with Lakme India Fashion Week is like the Oscars, participating in the Oscars. And this year, this season, we're proud to be associated with Manish Malhotra, and it's going to be a pretty exciting journey for us. Thank you, and we're going to be really getting into some exciting times ahead of us also.
Front, but there are people who lead from the back. Ashu is standing on the back, always on the back. So without his support, nothing is possible. But he always tried to remain on the back, and we all acknowledge his blessings and his leadership, his vision, which always force us to see something forward. And we ensure you, not only at Gen Next, but all the shows and everything, it's going to be the rocking fashion week. And with that note, I wish you all the luck, and especially the young designers. A special great responsibility has been showered by the board, the selection board, on you. So give your 100%, not 100%, but 500%, and try to prove there and don't let them down. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Lastly, would request Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar.
And it's a very interesting point in our journey because we are on the threshold of bringing in our most fashionable, stylish, and sophisticated brand, the St. Regis, to India for the first time. This hotel is going to be becoming a St. Regis from 1st of September. And it is just this important turning point in the life cycle of any hotel, and especially for this hotel when it gets that brand on the door. In Starwood, and especially in St. Regis, we believe in passion points, and I think fashion, food, glamour all add to what we call as the passion points in our life. And in our own way, we may not be good in designing dresses, but I think our chefs, our housekeepers, our style guides and consultants all across the hotel, whether it's the way we arrange the food on the plate, whether it's the way we curate our own music, the way we stylize and accessorize our rooms and our public spaces, we try to contribute to this world of glamour and fashion in our own way. One of the key initiatives that we are taking is that all the associates who represent us in front of you, all the associates who kind of lead the experiences, all the services of the hotel, the bespoke services of the hotel, all of them would be wearing some designer outfits and would be coming across as stylish and beautiful Indians, as Mr. Khosla just mentioned. And we are very excited about this Lakme Fashion Week, and based on what I've heard and the learnings that have happened last year, I'm sure this year the hotel's participation, involvement is going to be more holistic. We're going to ensure that we get into the depth and detail, because that's where the quality lies. And the hotel is going to definitely come in as not just as a partner or a hospitality host, but also as a kind of a front-end leader in terms of ensuring that this 13th anniversary of this LFW is the most memorable one. So thank you all once again for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Anurag.
Women. And what's exciting about the Lakme Absolute line is that we're able to offer them world-class offerings within the range. We also have a 9 to 5 and a core line, but I think Absolute is where the trends are launched.
Textile Day is already an established platform. We decided this time to, support that activation which our government has undertaken. So we have actually lent our platform, so that, that activation results in something more concrete. And we are giving our platform to designers to showcase their collections that they are working with the Banaras. So in terms of digital innovation, we've already done a nationwide Instagram model hunt. We will be launching ourselves on Snapchat. We'll be launching Dub Smash, and then we'll be launching Periscope. So there are a lot of innovations lined up. Apart from that, our Lakme Fashion Week apartment will also get a makeover, which is a hub for all social media enthusiasts, bloggers, and the media front row. So this will be our strategy for the coming season.
Show, and I'll ask Saket to talk about the opening. So the finale is Gaurav Gupta, and we're working on the theme of Sculpt, which is the Lakme statement for the year. Although Gaurav's going to work at it from a different angle. So last season we had Anamika do sculpt as well. What's interesting is Gaurav, of course, will bring it alive in his own way. But what you saw on the AV is that we've taken a bit of a playful twist to it this time. So you'll see sculpt in a very different light at the closing show.
The Philips Presents Manish Malhotra show will also be at the Mehboob